iphakathi elikhulu le emaXhoseni le la ngibiza ngoza umqomo engigama lapha emaXhoseni bathi uzamqomo
Zamuxolo.
babethu uxolo lolu esizamayo esukhandayo the peace within ourselves yazi phakathi kwethu njengamadoda the peace within ourselves lento esilwa nayo sonke singamadoda silwa nalento uyilanda into ulanda into bese uzibuza ukuthi and then uba mamelo ababathethe uba mamelo bani bathetha and then where do we want to find ourselves with all the information lephumayo wonke amasiko athi embulela thina in these days and time ukuthi phuma yonke into and then what sizawuphelela ama conference sasekhona isibaya sobaba omkhulu ekusamele singeniswe wenziwani la
Thina
uyabona lento esithi African spirituality samele isitshele ukuthi ingane ikhuliswa kanjani umolokazana ungeniswa kanjani ugogo noma umkhulu bacatshwa kanjani babuyiswa kanjani ilento esiyibuzayo ukuthi and then what and then thanks
Babanzini molo ihlo molo mkhuluwa molo ndizendala okolo sithina singabane nawo mara sikwazi nokuncokola ngaphandle basive nenyewe kwabaphambili uyamba umthembu uthini usenokuqaqiseni ingqondo kamali zikrwemba ndive kuba ithini into ndolindaba
hayi umthembu apha uthi ngathi kudala kuthethwa but ingathi akunasolution mhlawumbe lelo gama lingavakali ula and then musandithi la and then right but ke ngoku referring to our African spirituality mayiphendule ize nabani nayo kodwa ngasikho lapho and then about it what do we discover going forward. Secondly, I strongly believe abantu bahlala bekhuluma about death. I would rather say people transition. Yiloo nto kukhona abantu ababuyiswayo. Andithi umthembu uthetha abantu abahanjiswayo nababuyiswayo. Andithi? Yeah, so and then why ebuyiswa and then what after that? So let's explore. Let's share information. Let's diversify. Singoyiki madoda. Yabo, singoyiki.
uyazi mhla kanjani mkhulu wami
Thank you.
thina rhaluba kukho utshayingo ungqola umbona utyhibashi bona uthi umthembu kungolu hlobo ithini le yakuthi
Ngoba ize naye le
ngithi ke ngimsukumise zingelengwenya 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 silo samanzi
sikosiyamntu
Kawo ikibashi.
hayi ilula lento
Yo. Mibuzo mibili ka.
yo
Senzani? Siyekani? Eba ilula kanjani lento? Senzani? Siyekani? What is it that we must carry on doing and what is it that we must stop doing? Isiko ke nesithethe sikabini naso. Isiko lithetha ngokuthi kwenziwa ntoni. Isithethe sithethe ngoba kwenziwa njani. Zimbini izinto. Masiyekeni ubuxoki nobumenemene. Masithethe inyaniso nobuntu. And then
singayilungiseleli lento chayi
singayilungiseleli. Singayibekeli iziponji.
sithi lanto yokhumhlaba
Singayifakeli i-decoration nentoni.
la ende
Yeka, yenza, and then
ngizobona
naku umthembu sitsho nje madoda
sisabonga omakhelwane bethu, sibonga obhuti, sibonga izakhelwane zethu, i-Wheat Lovers Market, Marshalltown, Udano,
Marshalltown.
Pick up yourself, man.
Marshalltown.
Thank you so much for having us here, and thank you so much for being a family to us and Abakadukanya, forth and forevermore. Give thanks. We run the team.
you run them things there
rite of passage as a man is to be a protector to start. They are gone. Then now the point starts whereby now the identity of the child is being disputed by both parents, by the way. Both houses. Aba bebe babini benqono bengenamashoni. Kuze kube khona nomntana. Ikale phaphu kuxa bephikisana. Ngoku lamntana apha ekudodeni uzafika azaziba ndiyindoda. Ayingomagama athethwayo zezandlela zihambayo. Afunde phaa ba hey uyenzeka into bana ukhulele kulomama. Uyenzeka ukhulele kowenu. Andizuthi kulotata bethi nana ngixolela andiyiva lapha. Ayithetha mina. Akhulele kowa. Axelele injalo zalapha kowa. abakhulula khona okanye xa ikhulela kulonini uzofunda indlela zomalume bakhe zakulonini ngoku mina ke nguvela uthi gqi ngoba sowunemali funa ukolusa umntana. Now the question says, where will you?
Where do we start?
Eve Online is a vast
ukhetha into obana ubunyani bakhe bundawo ngaye nekhaya lakhe.
Ithi le nto yenza ngolu hlobo ubunofisa nawe bekunokwenziwa if bayinguwe in this situation. In that
That is me, godly.
thethela lo mntana
That is divine.
ungamaziyo ngengakuthelwa umntana wakho nawe zumzalo lo mntana nxa somnyimba ethethile uyazi uba you are represented because luthando so that's communal love to be more than that.
Sengakumamisa ucawa amadimasi kanjani ugeza
I stand for it.
Ibile laa nto. In my last submission. My apologies. Igqibile.
Rastafari is not a religion. It's not about religion, but it's political. Christianity. Phela Rastafari is from Christianity. Christianity is not religious, it's also political. Because of these people were they were kings. Physical kings. Physical. It's in king Yagomo. No. Physical king, sorry, no. The man is a king, a highly Selassie Magonan Rastafari. He was a king, straight, like, on the Costilum, Sabotus, Lebanaba High, the descendants die, Baba Kasharang, the one of the Costilum. No, so Rogalaga is physical king. Arabella Kushi, probably. Rogalaga, that's why great. It is
and whether it's politically recognized or not,
Yes, the king
his
of
children are the descendants of the king, so the throne is there, whether they are sitting on it or not.
Mariana he's a direct descendant. So he's a king. Kamkuring Shaga was a king, Skipini was a king, Rastafari is a king, physical king, not wasn't it? One time, good thing, listen, Pesayos Nyaga was Korea side.
The speeches are told.
Asimoto will work him.
Not only written, him.
Okay, you can see him on YouTube speaking.
One Talohanya. Open Zigadina was a Buntatemul Nagano Pila 90. So, being Rastafari is political in the sense even being is political.
Also is being political.
Because of who can see the nations. Nalbatovan like Bellingo Gamara this
She's very cool,
so it's because it's political.
Exactly.
And then at the end of the day, Hoga level la vida Nerofel laser relative. It's in our really muhile lat. One time, really muhile lata hore. But Timans they are creating a nation to conquer us. Lerna Bahorgo Mortoma divided and then return and then one of a Thailand to us. Rena Oliver Lorpa. And then the word has to go around or everything.
Kufaru yang Shamisa. Yo, yang Shamisa. Yo, Pamela.
Ikhankatisa amakhwenkwe ngabafana kanti ikhankatha indoda enomzi ezeleyo emele umzi wayo uzofundisa le nkwenkwe ubudoda. Lo mfana uzomfundisa ubufana ilento abakrwale ethweka kaloku baphathi okapi bayajayiva emathaveni ukuthi ufake ibhayileti uyibuza ukuthi ufake i-street fighter neekempusi zenetha kodwa uswela nawe etywaleni ubizwa ngeflater jika nje akaqathuke nawe ezinona zivunyelwa ngapha bafana bagade zona le nto ndithi kaloku zikhankathisa amakhwenkwe zabafana
Here's the thing about Soweto. The people abahlala elokishini eSoweto, they are children of foreign miners. And why I say foreign miners? Soweto was populated by Malawians. No, I know. It's a journey. But it's a journey. We are taking a journey. Soweto was populated by Malawians, Zimbabweans, Lesotho, Mozambique, Zambia. Now, the indigenous people of Soweto, AbaKwaZulu, AbaKwaXhosa, Bakhatla, Batswana, lived in hostels under Induna, who reported to kings back home. Amanyasa, Amashangane, Abesuthu did not have that structure to report to because they were foreigners in South Africa.
So never mind the structure. So to construct the order.
Government help them within the order of the new country.
No, government help them within the order of their own missions that they were pushing, not the order that was created by them.
The hostel, you see us phethe indlu namhlanje induna hostel ikhona. Nakhansela ngene hostel. It's the Malawans.
Election, they stripped away that order.
Yes.
Hence, manje exist disorder. Because they've got nobody to report
For two.
The creation was the disorder too.
We came from uXhosa, from Ushiangani, from Ubahadi, from Umukwena, Ebasuthwini. Masifika thina sonke la eGoli. Safika nemibono yethu yokuthi order is governed in this way.
Yeah.
Are you with me?
Yeah.
But then the ruling structures that were there, yastripha konke lokho kwe-order ukuze uthole le disorder esinayo namhlanje.
Exactly.
Bese umkhulu when we were doing that podcast, wathi awume wena uzosixabanisa nabantu.
Ulosithubulisa kodwa ekugqibeleni lamoto Embo. Embo. asanda de lihlazo asanda de lihlazo lo mculo
Awu.
ntombi ecula
With love is
Kube mnandi.
mafia.
With love is mafia. Okay.